you all jewelry maker guys. Today we are going to make this beautiful half set that is made up of pendants, a pair of earrings, okay, the exciting part is to start. First of all, we should have 3 of these wire balls that we have the tutorial here. If you didn't watch it, go back and watch the tutorial. It's so important, and the most beautiful part of this earring and pendant is these little cute ring balls. We need a pin for our earring, just like this, and it is so beautiful and cute as you see. You need just wire and a pearl as you see. You could use beads or stones instead of pearl. What do you prefer? I would love to know, so comment it below so that I know which is your preferences. We need a tool always to form our wire. I should make a little ring like this and make a 90-degree rotate just like this. Then put your pearl, bead or stone as you desire, and then hold it with your round nose pliers and then rotate it back just like this. All you need is to attach these 2 parts together. So I need to open up my pin just like this and attach my wire ball and then close it again. We had talked about how to open and close your rings. You could come back and then see and watch the tutorial. It is something like this, just beautiful. It's incredible in your ear, and you could test it. Then do it again. And the important thing is that when you are making your wire ball, you should make a little ring at the end so that here we could attach it to the pin. Just like this. Okay. 2 of our earring with wire ball and pearl is just ready. We go back to our pendant. It's a wire ball again, and a straight pin is attached to it. Just you don't make a ring just like in the earrings. It's straight. We need to pass the pearl or stone or the bead and then make a ring with our round nose pliers. Just as easy as you see, and then make a 90-degree of rotate. Something like this. The last part is to attach your chain to your pendant, and here you have your half sets. It's so beautiful, and also it could be a set with this beautiful bracelet that I had the tutorial just here. You could watch this video and have your awesome and fantastic jewelries.